So in this video I'm going to be making a dog dish stand, and it's for a pretty big dog, so it's going to be a sizable project. It's for a 200-pound Mastiff, so it's going to be about 15 inches tall, 16 inches deep, and 32 inches wide. I'll try to include a set of downloadable plans in the information down below in case you wanted to build it yourself. This project's going to be made from mostly half-inch maple veneered plywood, except for the top and the bottom, which are going to be made with 3/4, just because it's going to be a little more sturdy. Now it's just two pieces as a 90-degree leg, and then panels on the inside. It's pretty easy construction. Then a slide-in bottom that'll also get screwed in for reinforcement, since that's going to be holding dog food or whatever else is going to be there for the dog. And then I'll go ahead and put hinges on the top. And after I've got the hinges all on the top, then I'll go ahead and cut out the circles for the dog bowls. These bowls are about 14.5 inches, so they're pretty sizable. I'm just going to do that with the router, mark the center points, and keep them even spacing, and we should be able to get right into it.
So one of the other bonuses about drawing up your own plans is it sort of gives you a cut list here. So a lot of times I use scrap material, or I try to make the best use of my material from other projects, which means that I can kind of do the math in my head and figure out how much I need. I'm pretty sure I've got enough material in this stack here that'll do the job. Let's get to work.
So I did 2 coats of stain and then 2 coats of poly over that. And whenever you're doing a project that has exposed plywood edges that might get wet, they will get wet and expand if you do not make sure that the top coat seals the edges. So really make sure that you get in the edges of the plywood real nicely. And then after I did the stain, I just wiped it off, cleaned it real good, and then did poly over that. And another thing you might want to think about when doing any projects, any wood projects at all that might be in standing water for any period of time, is doing epoxy feet. All you do is just take a little masking tape, tape off the feet, mix up a little 5-minute epoxy, and do a real thin layer on top of the feet. That way, if it's ever sitting in standing water for an extended period of time, you're not getting that water ingress causing the wood to expand or ruin your joints or anything like that. So that's what I'm doing here. and then we're pretty much done. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's a fun, easy, useful build. Be sure to check me out on Facebook, Instagram, like and subscribe. You know all the good stuff. And until the next video, you guys have a good one.